Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Light Board Markers is probably one of the most exciting and creative tools for kids and adults alike. These vibrant markers bring a whole new dimension to drawing and writing, illuminating your artwork with a cool, neon glow. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just looking for a fun way to express yourself, these markers are sure to spark your imagination and light up your world. Number 5. KOKODI 10-inch colorful LCD writing tablet. This drawing tablet uses the latest LCD pressure-sensitive technology and a 10-inch colorful screen. It's safe and comfortable for kids to use for extended periods, with no radiation or glare. The tablet's battery lasts for months and is easily replaceable. It allows for about 100,000 writings, saving paper and pencils, making it an eco-friendly choice. The battery compartment is secured with a screw, preventing children from accessing the button battery. It's designed with safety in mind for your kids. The tablet provides ample space for drawing and easy viewing, encouraging children's imagination. It offers a great learning experience for preschool or homeschool activities. Made of durable plastic with rounded corners, this lightweight tablet is shock-resistant. It's perfect for travel, car activities, and airplane toys. The tablet creates colorful lines of varying thickness based on pressure. With a single button, the screen clears instantly, and you can even save your work with the lock key. This is a perfect toy for boys and girls to practice writing and drawing, keeping them entertained. It's ideal for use in the car or at home, and it's a really useful tool for growing kids. What we like? This drawing tablet is designed with eye protection in mind, making it safe for long-term use. It's also reusable, saving paper and reducing waste. If you're looking for a mess-free and engaging activity for your kids during car trips, this is a great choice. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. What people say. The markers are vibrant and work well on the light board. The colors are bright and the markers are easy to use. The light board is a fun and creative way to draw and create art. Number 4. Crayola Ultra Clean Fine Line Washable Markers, 40 CT. Introducing the Crayola Ultra Clean Washable Markers. This set of 40 markers is designed for kids and is easy to clean. It's perfect for young artists. With 40 different colors, the possibilities are endless. These markers will bring your child's artwork to life with a wide range of vibrant hues. The fine tip allows for detailed coloring and drawing. It's ideal for school projects and coloring books, giving them the control they need. Worried about messes? Don't be. These markers wash easily from skin and clothing. Cleanup is a breeze, making it parent-friendly. These markers are a great addition to any art supply collection. They are a must-have for any young artist's creative toolkit. Looking for a gift? These Crayola markers are perfect for holidays or birthdays. It's a gift that encourages creativity and fun. Trusted by teachers and loved by students, these markers are perfect for classrooms and home use. They are essential for back to school. What we like? These markers are ultra clean washable, so you don't have to worry about stains. The fine tips allow for detailed coloring, perfect for coloring books and school projects. If you like vibrant colors and easy cleanup, these markers are a must-have for any young artist. They are great for both home and classroom use. What people say. As the box says on it, it is big. It has 40 vibrant colors. Any marker that makes its way onto our kitchen table is easily cleaned up with just a damp paper towel. The colors are very bright, they write smoothly. Number 3. Chalkboard Markers Set of 8 Washable Chalk Pens. These erasable chalkboard markers are ideal for decorating windows, bistro boards, and back-to-school signs. They work not only on chalkboards, but also on glass, ceramic, and whiteboards. It's a versatile tool for your creative needs. These chalk markers for school give you the power of colored chalk without the mess. You can enjoy high-quality, concentrated ink for easy fun on non-porous surfaces. It's a clean and convenient way to create. These versatile chalk pens have a reversible bullet and chisel tip. You can finesse your artistic flair in the classroom, at home, or anywhere else. It allows for a variety of artistic styles. These washable markers are non-toxic and odorless, making them safe for everyone. Simply use a damp cloth to wipe away the liquid chalk marker ink for a smear-free sparkle. It's easy to clean up after use. Whether you're giving this chalk pen pack as a Christmas gift or using them for DIY crafts, this set is a great way to get into the holiday spirit. It's a perfect gift for artists and creatives. What we like. These chalk markers are washable and easy to clean, making them ideal for various surfaces. The reversible tips offer flexibility for different artistic styles. If you're an artist or someone who enjoys decorating windows or menu boards, these markers are perfect for adding a pop of color and creativity to any project. They are safe and non-toxic. What people say. Test them first. They write very well and don't leak as you're going. Colors are vibrant on chalkboard signs. The marker's very easy to use, they show up really bright on black chalkboards, and the color definitely lasts. These are very vibrant and very easy to use. I did a test on the back of a family member's car with something small and it stayed even through several rainstorms, which I was shocked about. I used it on glass jars and of course when I touch it there is residue even after drying, but that's what normal chalk does as well. This was a really good deal overall since I had another style before that was super thick and hard to write with. It's just like writing with a marker, so you can write smaller or bigger things if you wish and will be able to fit more words on your car windows if you want to write fun messages or images. Would also be very good for menu writing on chalkboard or glass. Number 2. KOKODI 8.5-inch LCD Writing Tablet 2-pack. This is the KOKODI LCD Writing Tablet. It's a fun and easy way for kids to express themselves. They can draw, write, and play without any mess. The 8.5-inch screen is perfect for little hands. The stylus makes it feel like writing on paper. You can create thin or thick lines with ease. Say goodbye to messy crayons and markers. This tablet provides hours of entertainment without the cleanup. It's great for car trips, restaurants, or anywhere. With the erase button, it's simple to clear the screen and start again. The lock switch prevents accidental erasures. Plus, it saves paper. This tablet is a wonderful gift for kids aged 3 to 7. It encourages creativity and helps them practice writing and drawing. It comes with everything they need to start having fun. One reusable drawing pad can save thousands of pieces of paper. This is a great way to let kids have fun while being environmentally conscious. It's a win-win. What we like. This set comes with 2 tablets, perfect for siblings or sharing with friends. It offers mess-free coloring, eliminating the worry of stains on walls or furniture. If you need a simple and portable entertainment option for your kids, this drawing pad is a great choice. It's ideal for keeping them occupied without the need for multiple books or art supplies. What people say. Lightweight, durable, easy to use. Writes and erases smoothly. The erase button works well. They are durable, mess-free, and easily erasable. The writing is easily seen, and my kids love to have them in the car for drawing or playing games. Number 1. Crayola Metallic Outline Paint Markers, 6 count. Introducing the Crayola Metallic Outline Paint Markers. This set includes 6 paint markers, perfect for adding a touch of shimmer to your artwork. These markers display 2 colors with a single stroke, creating a beautiful outlining detail. The ink naturally separates on the paper, making your design stand out. The set features 6 vibrant metallic colors: hot magenta, red, green, azure, blue, violet, and black. They're ideal for both light and dark surfaces. Create stunning hand-lettered designs with these markers. They're perfect for adding unique outline effects to your projects, crafts, and more. Add special effects to art projects, crafts, and homework assignments. Remember to protect your surface and use heavy paper for the best results. What we like. These markers feature metallic colors with a unique outline effect, adding a touch of shimmer to your artwork. They work on both light and dark surfaces, expanding your creative possibilities. If you like to create stunning hand-lettered designs or add special effects to your projects, these markers are perfect for you. They are great for art projects, crafts, and homework assignments. What people say. The markers are vibrant and work well on the light board. The colors are bright and the markers are easy to use. The light board is a fun and creative way to draw and create art. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.